One tub, 5 built-in therapies, total transformation.
The tub itself has 5 therapeutic benefits. The tub has hydrotherapy, it has air therapy, which is a less evasive therapy. It also has aromatherapy and chromatherapy, and it also has an ozone purifier on the tub. The most important therapeutic benefit of the tub, I would say, would be the hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy is targeted jets. It's more invasive. Hydrotherapy actually has the same health benefit as walking a mile. Doctors actually prescribe hydrotherapy to their patients 3 times a week. Hydrotherapy also has great benefits for people that have neuropathy. A lot of people suffer from neuropathy, from diabetes, back injuries, arthritis. It also helps with any type of arthritic issues like RA, osteoarthritis. And the hydrotherapy also is great for exfoliating dead skin. The air therapy would be the second benefit of the tub. It is more of a spa-like therapy. Air therapy most people are going to use when they just want to relax a little bit. It's more spa-like. The aromatherapy is a therapy that we all are familiar with. People don't realize how aroma affects our mental ability. You know, if you're having an issue sleeping on medications, you have stressful nights, you're just not sleeping good. The lavender is a great option for aromatherapy to use in the tub before you go to bed. Chromatherapy is a light therapy. Colors have a huge effect on our psychology. Some colors make us happy, some colors make us sleepy, some colors make us excited. Every color in the therapeutic rainbow does have a therapeutic benefit for you. It also has an ozone pump in the tub. What that means is the ozone, when you're running your jets, your air therapy or hydrotherapy, the ozone is continuously keeping your water clear from bacteria with a UVB light.
Start your walk-in tub journey today at EZProExpress.com.